I understand the president's concern, and I understand the concern of staff members at the White House. If you look at it from their perspective, they haven't exactly been able to govern in the first year of their administration the way other administrations have, where you would theoretically have a period in which the new administration is allowed to pass some of the needed pieces of legislation. Now, any executive seats, losing any congressional seats, losing any seats in the United States State Senate is very important to them, and that's why I think you see that in order to accomplish their health care plan, their energy plan, the other ideas that they have for America that really are transformative, they've had to look at who is going to be voting, who can actually help them. And so I don't have a problem with the fact that they would look to different states to try to get that assistance. And I'm not